Meet Pete, product owner of a technology company. He has a great idea to build and launch a new software. Pete wants his software to be accessed anytime and from anywhere, run on smart devices, responsive and be securely hosted on cloud, support social integration, real-time analytics for making business decisions on the go. Pete starts to build the product with his team. But wait, the speed at which he conceptualizes, builds and launches the product is taking years. He wants to scale the product with new features, but lacks the latest technical competence. People with the right skills are expensive, his development cost is rising up and he is losing his market share. While Pete is wondering how to monetize and generate early revenue, his friend Sally, a product owner with an online retail company, comes to visit him.
Hey Pete. Why do you look so upset?
Sally, I tried building an innovative product, but all we did was churn a lot of useless code. I still do not know what my customers want. Over the last year, I have wasted a lot of effort, time and money.
Oh, don't worry, let me tell you a solution. 6 months back, I was facing the same problem. Then I gave a shot at Agile development by an offshore team.
Really? Does offshore work well? That too. Agile?
I got great success with Agile offshoring. It was really effective, transparent and fast. Moreover, it gave an early ROI to my business.
But how did you evaluate their technical competence?
They are a new age tech company. My product has complex features to support mobility, video collaboration, cloud hosting, and real-time analytics. They use latest open-source technology for extremely great UI and UX.
Oh, that sounds great. But an offshore team is from a different time zone and culture. How do you communicate effectively?
Oh yes. My offshore team is from India. We have a flat team structure, and the team updates me daily about the progress. To bridge the time gap, they overlap few hours to sync with me. We use video and audio chats a lot.
I see. Your collaboration sounds great. But how did you manage your delivery deadlines from a distance?
Simple. The development was split into several sprints.
Sprint? What is that?
The features are listed down as a product backlog, and I prioritize the ones to launch first. They are planned into the next sprint. The offshore team designs, develops and tests those features.
But how do you know if things are really getting done?
The code gets integrated several times a day. Moreover, at the end of the sprint, they give me a visual demo, where I can see those features working. We use project tracking tools, and I can see real-time progress.
But Sally, did you check the quality of the code? And how do you know that your software will not crash?
Oh yes. Even I was worried, before I realized that I could see the quality of the code on a daily basis.
How do you see the quality of the code?
Well, my development partner works exactly like a product company. We implemented coding standards, code analysis and design validation tools. Code integration happens daily and I get automated emails with technical dashboards. Moreover, technical practices like TDD, BDD, continuous delivery and automated deployments ensure a robust code base and a high-performing product.
Even then, will it not take a long time before you get the real feedback from your customers?
Actually, no. That's the beauty of MVP.
MVP? Never heard of it.
MVP is minimum viable product, something that I can launch to my customers within a few weeks, and be really sure that my product would sell. This feedback helped me to include features my customers wanted. I did not spend a penny on building unwanted features.
Wow. I did not know getting an early feedback was possible. Now offshore Agile sounds interesting, but I still have one question.
Great. Tell me.
It seems like you would spend a lot of time to validate the behavior of the product.
Actually, the QA guys in my offshore team act as my proxy. They do excellent validation before it even comes to me. I certainly have my life easy, Pete. The early feedback that I got from my customers increased our profitability multifold. The product quality resulted in an overall costs reduction by half.
Now, I will go Agile offshoring for my product development as well.
For more information on Agile or People10, Please go to www.people10.com or reach out at info@people10.com.